Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a new prefab home that has just become available. It doesn't take a brain scientist to see there is a lot going on in offsite construction, and my has it been fun to watch. Here's the thing, there are certain things in life that are just considered the norm, and everyone just accepts those things as the norm without putting too much thought until someone waltzes in and says, hey, what if we did it like this? Like I put my Ginch on before my socks, but what if I did it the other way around? No, that's a terrible example. I feel like changes to the status quo have been happening a lot lately in the prefab industry. Things are being shaken up all over, and I'm enjoying the show. Companies are implementing automation to build, companies are finding different ways to ship, and they're even building with new materials, but sometimes a small change can make a big difference to something as simple as size. The company I'm talking about is called Manta North. With their new model, they're calling the Expand. What I'm going to do is bring you up to speed on the company, check out their new model, and get into their pricing. Manta North is a prefab home builder with headquarters in Sweden that ships homes throughout Europe and over here to North America. I have been a fan of the look of their homes for a while now. You might have seen their units on my annual top 10 list 2 years running, no big deal. If you didn't, their homes are built in their factory in Latvia, then shipped to wherever they're going, and apparently can be set up in a couple of hours. There are a couple things that I like about what they're doing over at Manta North. The first being they have made it incredibly easy to access their pricing and initiate an order online. Anyone at any time can go on their website and see what they have available, get instant access to pricing on everything, and find out what upgrades can be added to a home. I like this because people know instantly what they offer, how much it costs, and whether or not it's even within their budget. Then they can proceed or not. There are a lot of prefab homes to choose from right now, and if you have to email or call every single company you're interested in for a quote before you know whether it's even in your wheelhouse, that's going to take up a lot of time. Couple 2-3 clicks over here and you're going to have a lot of the information required to make that first decision to either keep them on the short list or cut them loose, and I think that'll improve the buying experience for those who value their time, which should be everyone. I don't know about you, but for me, if trying to get all the information I require to make a decision is too difficult or just plain annoying, I'm going to be sour about it and start looking for other options. The second thing I like about Manta is the ability to mix and match floor plans to create a plan that works for whoever is trying to buy. In my experience, people usually at least have a basic idea of what they're looking for. Whether it's size, style, number of bedrooms, or all the above, people are typically working off some kind of wish list before they start shopping. If somebody likes a company but they don't offer exactly what they want in their list of models, this does allow them an opportunity to at least mix and match and possibly get what they want. They have a recent blog post that talks about how customers have done it in the past, and some of the configurations they came up with are pretty cool. They had someone in Iceland combine a ray and a weekend with a walkway to get an extra 270 square feet. It's a nice option that can result in some very usable floor plans, which leads into the reason for this video. Up until recently, they had 4 different models, 2 of which have multiple configurations to choose from. However, they recently added something brand new that gives people a little extra walking around room. Typically, when more than one module is combined in this industry, they're placed side by side to add width. Like I said, this is what I would consider the norm anytime a home is made up of more than one module. Not always, but normally. That doesn't mean it's the only way to do it, and Manta North has decided to shake things up with the new model they're calling the Expand. The Expand ships in 2 modules, but instead of putting them side by side, they've put them end to end to maintain the sleek Manta look. I don't think this is going to look as good on any old home, but with the exteriors from Manta, it's a go from me. Under the info section of the home, it says the main materials that are used in making this home are highest grade CLT, cross-laminated timber, high performance insulation, and thermally modified wood. The house perfectly suits as a holiday home or a residential dwelling in any climate. Even the tiniest joints are sealed to reduce cold air circulation, leaving it up to recuperators to exchange air inside. The concept is based on the idea of a well-designed, functional, modern house. When delivered, the home arrives on 2 separate trucks. One module is about 270 square feet, and the larger of the 2 units is about 516 square feet for a total of around 785 square feet. In the home, they've got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a wide open living space. The exterior of the home maintains the signature Manta North look with vertical wood and a dark roof, which I think looks great. This thing has 5 exterior doors, 2 on the front, an optional slider out the back, and 1 out of each bedroom. Doors for days. Both sides have an ample amount of windows, so I really don't think there's going to be any issue with a shortage of natural light in this model. The way they have the plan set up, there are up to 5 options to enter, but most likely it's going to be through one of the 2 doors on the front. If you go on the left side, you'll run almost directly into a coat closet, something that'll hopefully impress the people who notice 100% of the time that exact feature is missing. From there to the left, they've got the second bedroom and bathroom too. The bedroom has an exterior door out the end, and in my opinion, the usability of that door will depend on the intended use of the home and the climate it's located in. If it's a holiday home in a warm climate or has a hot tub, the door from a bedroom makes perfect sense, but I'm trying to think if I would use it in my regular day-to-day life. As someone in a cold climate half the year with no hot tub, am I going to use it, or is it just going to be a door handle to hang my t-shirt? Heading the other direction, the hall opens up into the kitchen, which is also open to the living room. The kitchen has an optional island and the choice of dark or white cabinets, as well as 3 color choices for flooring. Beyond the dining room, they've got the living room, and at the end of the home, the main bedroom. The main bedroom has an ensuite and, just like the other side, an exterior door. I definitely like the fact that everyone in Europe will have a longer, more spacious option available to them from Manta, but this home isn't being marketed to us over here in North America. The only way to find it is to go to the location section on the menu and select Europe, and you'll be able to see the expand. I don't know exactly why it isn't showing as an available option in North America, but it could be because of the cost to ship, lack of boots on the ground to properly assemble it, the fact that we can get a home that size in one piece, or all of the above. To go end to end for length, I'm thinking they either can't ship that length throughout Europe or are limited by length they can build in their factory, and this solution solves both problems. For those watching in North America that like the look of the Manta North design, they do have options available to you, so don't let your emotions run wild in the comments just yet. Under the North America section of their website, one of the 2 options available over here is called the Ray. The Ray has an entirely different look because of the roof. Not my favorite look of the 2 options, but nobody panic, the other roof line already shown is available as well. The Ray has a footprint of about 516 square feet, in which they offer 4 different plans. They have 3 1-bedroom plans to choose from and 1 2-bedroom. Out of the 4 options, I'd probably go with floor plan D, which is basically the expand without the main bedroom. You end up getting a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. The other option showing available in North America is the slope, and what changes about this home is the exterior. If we do kind of a side-by-side comparison, I'm going to go with the slope. I prefer this look, which is strange because I usually lean towards a more modern roof. All the floor plans that were available in the Ray are also available in the slope. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to check out their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. One thing I found very interesting is the difference in price between Europe and North America. It's significant. I'll start with the expand because it's only available in Europe with a base price of 195,000 euros. The slope and Ray have a base price of 119,000 euros in Europe. I'll post the USD conversion somewhere on the screen to make for an easy comparison. The North America Ray and slope have a base price of $249,000, which is a hefty little jump. Keep in mind both places have different requirements, and I'm thinking maybe that includes shipping from Latvia, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Manta North has released their expand model for the European market, which connects 2 modules end to end to create a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. The expand is not available in North America at this time. I'm thinking maybe because of logistics, but if that changes, I will definitely let you know. Manta North builds one of my favorite looking exteriors, so as always, I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.